Hi everyone, my name is Moksh Bharadwaj and welcome to the SEO course for beginners by RankFast. In this course, I will be teaching you the fundamentals of SEO with heavy focus on execution. While it's labeled as a beginner's SEO course, don't let the word beginner fool you. These are the same strategies we have used to grow our 7-figure business. At RankFast, we don't rely on overly technical or complex methods. Instead, we stick to proven fundamentals that deliver compounded growth. Today, many of our clients' websites get over 1 million monthly visits from Google search alone, all thanks to these fundamentals. SEO is one of the most effective strategies for driving traffic to websites, and this course will show you how to get started on your journey to better rankings on Google and increased visibility. The course is divided into 4 modules, plus this introductory video, where we will cover the basics of SEO, including Module 1 Keyword Research. In this module, we will explore how to find the right keywords that can drive traffic to your site. It's the foundation for everything else in SEO. Module 2 On-Page SEO. Here we will cover how to optimize your pages so they rank well for your target keywords. You will learn practical techniques to increase your visibility on the internet. Module 3 Link Building. This is one of Google's most prominent ranking signals and a critical factor in achieving higher search rankings. Module number 4 Technical SEO. In the last module, we will dive into the best practices for keeping your site healthy and making sure search engines can crawl and index it efficiently. Whether you are running a personal blog, a small business, or a large company, this course will provide you with the tools and strategies you need to succeed. But before we wrap up, here's something to consider. SEO takes time and effort. If you are someone who doesn't want to go through the lengthy process of learning SEO or implementing it yourself, and you have the budget to invest, why not let us do it for you? At RankFast, we specialize in top-tier SEO strategies that drive real results for businesses of all sizes. Book a consultation with us and let's discuss how we can help you dominate search rankings and scale your business. You will find the link to book a call with us in the description below. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And if you are ready to take control of your SEO journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button and follow this course step by step. I will see you in the next video.